Your brain is a creature of habit, stuck in neural loops that drain your potential. To change, you must first disrupt the automated signal.
1. Every time you procrastinate, a specific neural pathway strengthens. It's like a deep rut in a muddy road that your mind can't escape.
To rewire this, we use the sensory anchor. It's a physical shock to the system that forces the brain into manual mode immediately. The moment you feel the urge to slip into an old habit, press your thumb and pinky finger together with intense, focused pressure. This tactile sensation acts as a circuit breaker. It interrupts the electrical flow of the craving and creates a window for a new choice. While maintaining pressure, visualize a cold blue light washing over your brain, cooling down the hot neural circuits of the old addiction. You are now in the neutral zone. The old path is blocked, and the new one is waiting to be built by your intent.
Research shows that 20 seconds of focused pattern interruption can drop the intensity of a craving by over 60%. By repeating this anchor, you create a new shortcut in your brain. Eventually, the physical touch alone will trigger instant mental clarity.
This isn't willpower, it's biological engineering. You are physically moving the heavy machinery of your mind to a different track. Every successful interruption weakens the old synapse. Like a muscle that isn't used, the toxic habit eventually withers and fades away.
Your future self is waiting on the other side of these 20-second battles. Each anchor is a vote for the person you want to become.
Stop being a passenger in your own skull. Use the anchor, break the loop, and start rewiring your reality today.